So this is the key fob from the Acura MDX 2023. It's time to change the battery. I do have a replacement battery here. It's a CR 2032. All right, so to replace it, press this little button here and remove the key that's in it. So press, remove, and if you look over here, you see the slot see this little slot down here? I don't know if you can see it on the bottom, right underneath the metal thing there. Just put the key there, twist it, and the lid pops off. You go to pop out the battery, just stick this on the side, pop it out, take the new one, slide it in on the bottom, and then just snap it in place. Take your case cover, slide it back on this way, see, like this. Snap it in place and take your key and slide your key. This is the key that you use if your battery's out and you need to start your car. You would actually use this key right here to start the car. But there it is. And now this works again. Lock this. There we go.